Good morning, welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd bringing you our latest build. This is our first 2022 F150 build. It is Carbonized Gray, 5-liter V8, 10-speed auto, based on the XL platform, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, Bluetooth. It's got the nice touchscreen. We have had the door handles, fender vents, bumpers all painted to match. And we did a two-tone treatment on the grille. So we've got the high gloss black section in the middle and then painted to match on the upper and lower section. Got your fog lamps, that is an option this year. MBRP exhaust with the black tips, which really looks nice. We've got a high gloss 22-inch wheel wrapped in Toyo Proxes ST3 tires. There is a national shortage on Nitto 420Vs right now, so we've used these Toyos in the past. They're a good tire as well, so we grabbed a set of those for this truck. IHC lowering kit. This is the Ride quality kit. It's got a 3-inch drop in the front, 5-inch drop in the rear, and it rides like factory. It is the best riding lowering kit on the market. We've used Beltec, Max Track, VAS. VAS is a quality kit too. A little more adjustability with it, depending on what your purpose is, but for a daily driver and comfort, this IHC kit is the best riding kit out there. So we've got our tinted tail lamps, tinted windows, and the third brake light is tinted as well. And like I said, this is a 2022. Interior is pretty much the exact same as the 21s, with one exception I'll show you on the other side here in a minute. So we've got our power windows, mirrors, locks. Got your lighting controls down here. There's your nice screen with all your controls for your climate control below it. Drive mode switch, all your charging ports. And we have been ordering these trucks without the auto start stop feature, so they don't shut off at the stop sign. Got your cup holders, and then this flips up for a third seat. And we have added on this truck the Ford Performance door sill protectors. Those are short supply as well. Try to get as many sets as we can, and we'll keep putting them on as long as we can get them. All right, so over here on the passenger side is where they've made the change to the dash. You have a new, like a shelf. It says F150 in there. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting. Apologize for that. So you've got your normal glove box and then just like a storage shelf up here. Got a sweet GMC over here too, if anybody's interested in that. So we have probably 8 or 9 more of these coming for 2022. Hoping to get more. Just everything's kind of tough and short on allocation right now. Parts are short supply, just like anything else. We're going to continue to build these with the components we can get our hands on. We're not doing customer order custom builds right now just because of the supply chain, and meeting customer expectations and trying to stick to a schedule is almost impossible when nobody can promise you when you're going to have parts. You know, if there's a wheel you pick out that we can't get our hands on, or we can get 3 and it's going to take 16 weeks to get the 4th wheel. So we're just going to build these as they come in. We've kind of got a standard of what we will put on these and what we won't. And as long as we can get the quality parts, we'll pre-build these and we'll put them up on YouTube here and put them up for sale. So this is our first 2022. Turned out great. And keep your eyes out for more trucks coming soon. Appreciate everybody watching. Have a great day.